Start. The learned counsel for the appellant contends that the code below had significantly omitted to pointedly consider the question whether the claim for divorce on the ground of cruelty under Section 10 has been established by the evidence tendered by the wife. Stop. The learned counsel particularly points out the following observations in paragraphs to contend that the issue had not received the pointed consideration which it deserves. Stop. On going through the evidence tendered by PW1 and RW1, it is evident that the parties were not so cordial at the time when they were residing together at Mumbai. Stop. There was no consensus of mind between the petitioner and the respondent. Stop. It has come out in evidence that there were frequent quarrels between them. Stop. The petitioner has alleged that it was the respondent who subjected her to cruelty. Stop. The respondent has stated that the petitioner was more interested in her career than retaining a family relationship. Stop. He has also stated that at times the petitioner acted hysterically as if she has some mental imbalance. Stop. The evidence tendered by PW2, PW3, RW2, and RW3 will not be of any help to substantiate the contention of cruelty alleged by the petitioner. Stop. The answers given by PW1 and RW1 with respect to their private life reveal that there was no healthy interaction between the spouses in their life. Stop. The reason why she was compelled to return to her sister's house at Bangalore has been explained by PW1. Stop. According to RW1, the petitioner left his flat at the time when he was on business trip. Stop. Even though the respondent has contended that the petitioner behaved like an abnormal person, no medical records were produced to substantiate the same. Stop. On evaluation of the evidence tendered by PW1 and RW1, it is revealed that their marital life was not happy and that there was no healthy interaction between them. Stop. It shows that there was no cordial or affectionate relationship between the petitioner and the respondent. Stop. Under Section 10, in order to obtain a decree of divorce, the petitioner has to substantiate that the respondent subjected her to cruelty as to cause reasonable apprehension in her mind that it will be harmful or injurious for her to reside along with him. Stop. The answers given by PW1 and RW1 during cross examination reveal that it will be harmful for the petitioner to continue the marital relationship with the respondent. Stop.